Hey gamers, today I'm going to show you how to get HappyMod on your device. So there's no computer needed for this method. So as you can see guys, we got the fully working HappyMod right here. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So as you can see, we got all the apps. So this is super cool. So let's get straight into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So as you can see, we got all the apps right here. So this is mainly aimed at Android people, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to get HappyMod on iPhone. So as you can see guys, look at that. Dang, bro. Okay. So the first step is go to the ogplug.net. So let me just go ahead and type that in right here. So once you're on this site guys, what you want to do is go ahead and search for it. So it's going to be quite a few modded apps on here. It's pretty insane. There's also a game section which is going to house all the modded games, which is super cool as you can see. And then of course there's apps, so that's where you'll find HappyMod, but we can also press on it, press the download button, install. So the last step is going to be the verification guys. So what we need to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free from the official app store. So let's just wait for this to load here as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long, so we'll just give it a second to go ahead and load up as you can see. Alright, so let's just see what happens. Okay. Alright, so now it is going to bring us to that verification page. All we gotta do guys is download 2 of these apps and complete the instructions. It doesn't have to be the same apps as me, but make sure you download 2 of them guys. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and do Lumo VPN, so it's going to take me to the app store. I'm going to go ahead and download it, so let's just give it a second. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go back on the list apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So for me, I'm going to do Evertail, so it's going to take me to the app store. I'm going to download it, so let's just give it a second. So now I'm going to go to the home screen and just wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a wait time. So the VPN's done, so I'm going to run it. And I'm just going to do some like basic interactions, like touching around, whatever. So let me just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just playing through it. This is pretty simple. So you guys should have no problem doing this at all. So let me just do that right here as you can see. Alright, so anyway guys, now I'm going to go to the home screen and do the other app, which is the Evertail. So this one's a game. So just gotta play through it, just do some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just running it right here. So just gonna play through that. So it's pretty simple. So let me just do that as you can see. So yeah, just run this. So yeah, I'm just doing that as you can see. Alright. So just play through this. Okay. Just running it right here. So anyway guys, let's go and see. HappyMod should be downloaded onto your device, so be sure to try this out guys. It's super cool. But I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, because a lot of people do not know how to get HappyMod on iPhone, and now you know guys. So be sure to try it out. It's super cool. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, this is insane. You can actually use HappyMod today guys. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. It's super insane. Peace out.